I'm just checking on people I know in the building to see if everyone is okay. In storms like this, we have to take care of each other.
This storm is serious. Power is already out in parts of the city. This is no picnic, folks. Heavy flooding is reported in low-lying areas.
Your husbands used to be fishermen. They know what to do when a storm comes.
But Aku,
I'd be worried too. Aku is a smart girl, a strong girl.
but I am so afraid.
What can we do to be ready when they come back? First of all, do you have water? In case the water shuts off, it's good to have some. Do you have any empty containers? Pots or something?
And maybe we should fill the bathtub. My mother always did that. Every time we had a big storm back home, she'd fill up the tub for washing, for flushing the toilet.
And what about flashlights and extra batteries?
My husband keeps extra batteries in the refrigerator. He says they last longer.
Very prepared. A wise man.
When there was that big hurricane, I bought extra food and water. I got ready. But this storm was so sudden. There was no time.
It pays to get ready, to be prepared all the time. Every storm is different.
Oh, thank God. Freddie, come in.
You don't have electricity either, huh?
The radio said that power is out in a lot of places in the city.
It's so hot.
Do you want some water? Where's Sumi?
I don't know. She called to say she was leaving work. But that was a while ago. Before the storm. I tried to call, but there is no phone service. I'm really worried.
There was too much wind and rain. Huge branches were breaking off the trees. Things were blowing everywhere. It's terrible out there.
Where is Alberto?
There are two kids stuck in the elevator. Alberto is talking to them right now, while the super gets help. Sumi!
Are you okay?
I'm okay. I mean, we're okay.
Hello? Where are you?
Are you okay?
So, when you heard there was a storm coming, you never left for the beach.
I got a storm alert from Notify NYC, so I didn't let the kids go outside.
So you never left the house.
Right. We, sheltered in place. Just like they said in school.